For fiber-to-the-home networks, low-density areas with long cable runs drive up the cost and complexity of deployment, making it a challenge to serve rural areas. That's why CommScope created HeliARC cable, the low-count, lightweight FTTH solution for rural deployments, featuring a slender, easy-to-install form factor. A unique helical core construction provides increased strength, longer spans, and easy handling. An optimized 12 or 24 fiber count delivers right-sized bandwidth for low-density areas. And a slender form factor reduces weight, making HeliARC suitable for aerial deployment. For more information on HeliARC, visit commscope.com.